Number 4. What type of sampling is being employed if the country is divided into economic classes and a sample is chosen from each class to be surveyed? So we have 5 basic types of probability sampling. We have a random sample, or sometimes referred to as a simple random sample, which means every member of the population has an equal chance of selection. Systematic sampling is when you're selecting every case member of a population. Usually you number your population. Then you can choose like every 5th value, every 10th, every millionth, whatever. Stratified sampling is choosing from every group after population is divided into groups based on characteristics. So you got a population, you divide the population up into groups, and then you're selecting from every group. Cluster sampling is the population is divided into groups, usually based on location, and a select number of groups are chosen at random using all of the members in those selected groups. So, for example, divide your group based on zip code, select a certain number of zip codes at random, and all adult residents who are a part of those zip codes are going to be selected for a phone survey. That's an example of cluster sampling. And then the last one is convenience sampling, using individuals or items that are easy to access. And I call this the lazy approach. Like, for example, you want to determine the mean weight of newborn babies. With permission, of course, you walk into a hospital, to the nursery, and the first 20 babies that are born on that day, you just weigh and you leave. Kind of lazy because you don't get an accurate representation, but it's still probability sampling because you have no control over which baby is going to be born first, nor how much they will weigh. The answer to this question is stratified sampling. And the reason why the answer is stratified sampling is because it says here, in the country is divided based on economic class, which is a characteristic about people, and then you're choosing from each of those groups. This is definitely a stratified sampling. Answer, stratified. All right, that is it to this question. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.